I cannot believe I'm doing this video. Good morning. If you're new around here, my name is Megan and I do not make videos like this one. As you've seen by the title by now, I'm sure you know what's going on, but just in case you don't, I have been seeing this challenge all around YouTube for so long. I know Mennonites are always, what, 10 years behind? Anyway, and so I'm finally getting this shot now. But basically what this challenge is, it's letting the person in front of me decide what I eat for 24 hours. And so what's gonna happen is, for all 3 meals today, I'm gonna go through a drive-thru and I'm just gonna say I want whatever the person in front of me ordered, and we'll see what we get or what we don't get. My husband's like so worried he's not gonna get enough food. By the way, he's gonna be joining me later for maybe lunch and for supper. Anyway, he's so worried that we're not gonna get enough food, and I'm worried that we're gonna get too much and have like a crazy bill, because this is coming out of my grocery budget, people. Anyway, so I'm a little bit nervous. I'm also excited. I think this is a great fun thing to do, like if you're part of a youth group or something even. You don't necessarily have to have a YouTube channel, but I thought since I have a YouTube channel, this is even more of a chance to do it and make some memories. Anyway, my daughter is 1.5 and my son is 2 months old, so they're not really a part of the challenge. It's just gonna be me and my husband. So we'll see what we get and I'll take you along for the day. And if this is not your type of video, I apologize, but I will be back to my regularly scheduled content on Thursday. Lynette Yoder here on YouTube is also doing this challenge with me, and we're kind of doing it as a collab. I was texting her yesterday and they have already shot their video, and yeah, it sounded hilarious. I think they had a little bit of disappointment in the Dunkin' Donuts line, so make sure you go watch her video after this one because it sounded pretty good too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit off the beaten path, and I did make a rule to myself that my videos must always add value to your life. I don't want to waste your time. I don't know if I could make that promise with this video, but I'm gonna try to find a moral of the story to tell you at the end of the day. And also I'll try to include some shots of Lancaster County. I know you guys really enjoy seeing the beautiful area that I live in. So I'll try to just keep this video short, but also include a little bit of B-roll for you guys to watch as well. So thank you so much for watching and for clicking on this video. Subscribe if you are new, and let's get on with the day. Okay, we are at Panera Bread. Yes, Ivani doesn't care what we get because she just was eating Fruit Loops and milk on the way over here. And so I am really hungry. It's 9:19. I'm actually not surprised there's nobody at the drive-thru right now because, yeah, I feel like the early to work crowd has gone. I did not want to go to Starbucks because it's kind of risky for me. I like my coffee the way I like it. So if this doesn't work out with Panera Bread, I will go to Starbucks. But I figured it's probably less risky to go to Panera Bread because I like most of the stuff at Panera Bread, I think. I don't go there for breakfast often, but I know they have really good bagels. I've had some of their coffee drinks and smoothies and stuff. So we'll see. I would have went to Panera Bread for lunch, but my husband is not a huge fan of Panera Bread. I thought I'd do something more burgerish, you know, Wendy's or McDonald's for him. So here we go. We'll see if they can remember what the last person ordered or if they have it in the kiosk yet. Can I order exactly what the person in front of me had?
Sure, give me 1 second to find that order.
She's trying to find the order.
Alright, that's going to be a sausage, egg, and cheese over easy on ciabatta and a cafe mocha.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Your tip's going to be $9.62. You can go ahead and come forward.
Okay. Mama. I think we hit the jackpot. Something about bacon, egg, and cheese bagel and like a cafe mocha. Oh my goodness. Yum. I thought it could have went a lot worse. Let's see if it's any good. Very good, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
You too. Okay, so it is a hot coffee. I don't do hot coffees, but we'll see what I think. Oh my goodness. She called it a cafe mocha. It tastes like, oh, that's actually really good. It tastes like hot chocolate, which I love hot chocolate. I just don't drink a lot of it because it's not the best for you, and it just makes my teeth feel coated in sugar afterwards. I'm not actually just saying that. Like, that's legit true. Like, I actually really like this. I still ain't gonna spend money on it, but it's really good. Wow. If I came to your house and you gave me one of those, I would gladly drink it. That's good. And I'm so glad I got some protein. I never had a Panera breakfast sandwich. Looks a little dry. Bummer, they didn't order any sauces, I guess. So we have the sausage patty, egg patty, and cheese on bread. Not bad for the first place. Wow, I wish I could have seen who was in front of me. That would have made it twice as interesting. But I'm gonna pull this bread off and eat it like this as I drive. Okay, I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, we are here at McDonald's. It's, yeah, packed right now. I actually can pick which lane I want to go through. So I think I'm going to go through, oh, I don't know. There's two SUVs. There's a Suburban and some other little Honda, but they're both like crossover vehicles. I see kids in this one. Okay, I'm going to go behind the Suburban. I hope I made the right choice. And if I was going to go to McDonald's, I would pick a 10-piece chicken nugget and fries, and I always get, well, not always, but I really like their fraps, the mocha fraps. So that's what I would get. So we'll see what we actually get. Hopefully either me or Josh likes it. And if Josh was here, he always gets some kind of burger. So yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to check out these people. Okay, it's a mom and at least one son. I shouldn't be creeping on them, but I kind of want to know what I'm going to be getting. What do you think they're going to give us, Ivani? Snacks? She says snacks. She's in the back there eating her little goldfish. The people at Panera Bread didn't really act like it was a big deal. She didn't ask anything. She just gave me the same order. So I'm assuming she watches YouTube. Or maybe she doesn't watch it at all and just thought I was nuts. My heart is pounding again. I don't know why. Who cares what people think, right? You think I'd be over that by now. Yes, hello. Could I have exactly what the person in front of me ordered?
Okay. Is that everything?
Yes.
Are you doing like a YouTube video or something?
Yeah, I am. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, that's so cool. I know, I've been watching those and I'm just like, when you told me that, I'm like, oh no, this is YouTube.
Did anybody else come through today?
No, not asking for the person. Like,
Gotcha. What's my total? I'm a little nervous. Okay, we'll see what we get. 16.19. Thank you. Yeah. Nice nails. Thanks. I kind of looked. I saw there was a mom and some kids. I'm like, okay, I think we're good. Yeah. So far it's worked out good. I was at Panera Bread this morning. Is that everything? Yep. Yep. Thank you. I got behind a mom with some kids, so there's a Happy Meal and a Happy Meal. That's your lunch. And a salad. I don't know what it is, I haven't looked yet. That looks really good.
I would eat that.
But I want this. What is it? What's it say on here? Copy. Chicken, bacon, ranch salad. Does copy mean?
What's Ivani getting?
Oh, crispy.
French fries.
Crispy. No, Ivani doesn't need lunch necessarily.
Well, she's gonna eat lunch.
Oh, here! I got this from Panera Bread. It's actually really good, but I don't drink hot coffee. It's still warm if you want to try it. Is it chicken nuggets? I was telling them that I always order chicken nuggets. Yeah, I'll eat the chicken nuggets if you want the salad. There's a toy for you, Josh. We hit the jackpot. So Josh is gonna eat the salad, which if you can see it, oh my goodness, it looks so good. I never ordered a salad from McDonald's ever, so yeah, it's bacon and crispy chicken, etc., etc. And they even put ranch with it. What do you think of your 2 Happy Meals and the salad? It sounds way worse than it really was. I was gonna say, it was pretty good, wasn't it? They even gave him his ranch, and they gave me my sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Ivani, what do you think? Thumbs up? Oh, no! It's a penny. You don't put pennies in your mouth. No. We got to be with Daddy on lunch break, and Fletcher wasn't even crying. Hey guys, we're here at Chick-fil-A. We just passed a work van and looks like there's some families out tonight, so I'm hoping we don't have to go around twice. We're gonna go through Chick-fil-A here, Josh's choice. You missed the drive-thrus, so now we have to go around again.
Yeah, I don't want to get behind any of these people.
We're loitering. We just keep going in circles. We're circling like buzzards. Oh my word, it was a girl in the Ford work truck. Go you. Do you know what to say? Let's practice the script.
I'm just gonna say.
How can I serve you? And
I would like to order whatever the person in front of us got.
Yeah.
Which one do I get behind?
Well, let's look and see. That's half the video. Okay, the options are a nice looking Chevy Silverado.
That's an old man by
Probably
himself.
the Ford. It looks like a soccer mom.
We probably want to get behind that minivan.
We should have got behind the Virginia guy. They're
Yeah,
traveling.
but that thing was packed full of people. We would have ended up with like 10 meals.
That could be expensive at Chick-fil-A. This is out of my grocery budget, so somehow I'm gonna have to find, other food to eat this
What's
week.
the matter, Ivani?
Why are you nervous?
I'm not.
Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. My name is Zach. May I serve you?
Yes. So we would like to order and get whatever the people in front of us got.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So they got a 4-count egg and kids meal with fries and a high C fruit punch, a Chick-fil-A deluxe meal with fries and a Sprite, and a grilled wrap meal with honey mustard dressing with fries and a small vanilla shake.
That is spot on. We'll take it.
All right, just hang on a second here.
I can't believe it.
Any sauces for you?
We love Chick-fil-A sauce.
I think you cheated.
I didn't cheat.
You're not allowed to order sauces if they didn't.
Listen, I got this. I make the rules up for this thing.
It sounded like
you're eating a wrap.
It sounded
I'm
like
eating a sandwich.
It sounded like a dad, a mom, and a kid. Like, I'm trying to see it. I can't. I don't want to creep on him. Do you hear what he said?
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
He was the first person who acted like it was weird.
Yeah.
Everybody else acted like they do it all day long, every day. I definitely am going to be happy to not eat fast food again very soon.
No, I'll eat fast food tomorrow. This wrap thing could be a little weird.
I don't know, yeah. But I'm going to have to eat it, right? Because you're going to get your deluxe meal.
That's right.
Listen to Ivani singing.
She knows she's getting chicken.
I think she knows she has people listening to her. She knows I'm filming. She sings happy birthday now. She says happy to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy too.
Dude, I don't even buy myself a vanilla milkshake.
I only get frosted coffees.
Alright. There's a fruit punch.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, put that right there.
The baby woke up.
This way. Welcome to family life, people. 2 kids under 2.
Okay, well, he tries to get Fletcher happy.
This is the channel for moms, is it not? So they all know what's going on. That's Sprite.
Sprite. This is the drinks first. And some for high C punch. I guess that was for the kid.
Yep.
Well, Ivani may have a little bit of that, I guess, watered down. And a vanilla milkshake. Have you ever tried theirs?
Yeah, I've
Go ahead, I want to try it. Put a straw in.
times.
Ivani, Mommy has a French fry for you, but it's too hot. Let's wait a second. Okay? I can't get it
You
up.
don't have the sucking power, so give it to me.
Oh, wow. Not bad. Okay, Ivani, this is kind of hot. Do you want it? It's a French fry. And then this is the bag of food.
Kids meal, chicken nugget, and French fries. Crispy, breaded.
He's doing a fast food haul. Oh my word. Okay, we have tons of Chick-fil-A sauce, 2 French fries, some for oh, that looks so good. That's mine. You guys ever order these? That looks good. I might have a new favorite after that. Who knows? Maybe I'm judging too soon. We don't know what the deluxe is. We've never ordered the deluxe.
I'm pretty sure it's a sandwich.
It says deluxe with American. Oh, bummer.
What?
You like your pepper jack.
Oh, no, leave it in there. It's fine. It'll stay hot. Good enough.
I can't believe it. We got pretty lucky. Oh my goodness.
All right, we're going to go home and eat this food.
Yeah, we're going to head home and we're just going to eat our food at home instead of in the vehicle. We thought about going inside. I think this is time to go. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I promise my next videos will be back to their normal content again, but I'd love to know if you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you watch Lynette's video too. I can't wait to watch it as well, and I will see you all next week.